Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I will be reviewing this Toobur fitness watch that I bought from Amazon. It didn't cost that much. I believe I paid just under £20 for it, which is one of the cheaper ones on the market. So what does it do? Well, on the reverse of the box we have a list of things the tracker watch can do, like monitor your sleep. It can detect how many steps you take. It has an alarm and you can get SNS alerts, etc. on this. So for a small watch it does quite a lot. So it's compatible with an Android 4.4 or above, and iOS 7.1 or above, Bluetooth 4.0. So let's get it open, and we have this service card informing you of a 60-day money back and 12-month warranty. So it comes with 12-month warranty and with a lifetime technical support whenever you need them. So here's the user guide, and I believe it is pretty easy to set up. So it just tells you how the watch, how to set up the watch, how to operate it, etc. And this is the fitness tracker watch. It's a slim design with a black strap. It only weighs 8 grams and the dimensions are 10.5 by 10.5 by 3.5 centimetres, so it's quite slim. It's also suitable for kids over 8 and is available in 3 other colours, I believe pink and blue. So the straps are made out of rubber and are very flexible. So before you can use it, you need to fully charge the watch. And to do that, you need to remove the straps.
You just pull it off and it just comes off. It's a bit hard to take off, but it's...
And put the built-in USB plug into a USB port to boot it up.
So guys, I'm just going to put this plug in. And then I'm going to connect it to the plug. I'm just going to turn the plug on. And it should be charging.
If no red indicator shows, please flip it over. I think it takes about an hour to charge. So we'll just leave that on charge. And the app you need to download on your mobile is called the VeryFit Pro. So it's similar to the other app that I used on my other fitness watch. So once the app is downloaded from the Play Store, you need to sync the 2 devices by pairing them up. And to do that, you need to search for your device on your mobile by going into your Bluetooth. Okay, so there it is there. And now it's ready to use, I believe. And as you can see here, it has found the device. Which is the one here, and I'm going to click on there. So last thing to do is input your measurements, like your weight, height, age, etc.
So guys, I'm going to click on confirm bind device now. Oh, it vibrated guys, so I think it's the right one I clicked. Yes, and it's all got the right time and date. So I am a male, 2007. And I don't know. What's a measuring tape? Okay, go on. Weight, I'm about 30, 40. I've got no idea. I don't even know my own weight. I'll go for 10,000. Probably do that on the weight scale. And now this back on now guys, so I can actually put it on. The time right here, it's got steps, got how much I walked, how much calories I've burnt. Get a device and allow, and also allow again. So call alert, so if I get called it will tell me.
So we're going to receive a call to test it out.
So I just got a call from my mum, and I'm going to answer it. Go here, speaker. Hello? Hello? Love you. To go call alert, and then I need to save it. How do you save it? Does it just save it for you? I think it does. So try calling me again and see if it get it on the watch. Should work. Oh, it just came up on my watch, guys. So I'm going to answer it, and it came up on my watch. My watch started vibrating for a minute, and I pressed it by accident, the home button, so it stopped, but it came up, guys, trust me. So it's working really well. It's connecting to my headphones for some reason. So here it's amazing. You can check how much you've done. You can see it like this, or you can swipe, and it breaks it up, like how my digestive system breaks down my food when I eat it, and then it makes it into a graph. And it's saying I'm doing steps now. I'm just shaking it around and saying I'm doing steps, which is a bit stupid, but whatever. So I can see how much I've been sleeping, which is amazing as well. Go detailed stuff. You can see all your details.
The battery should last up to a week. No charging cable needed. You will get notifications on calls and messages. And as I said before, it's waterproof, so supporting sweatproof, rainproof and splash waterproof, etc. So you've got no problems if you want to wash your hands. I have heard that people have had showers with this on and had no problems with it. However, I'm not sure about swimming. I don't think it's that waterproof enough. So just let me go through the statistics once more. It's an activity tracker, recording all your day activities, calculating steps, moving distance, calories burnt, as well as active minutes. It automatically tracks your sleep at night, so you can see your sleep trends and get on a better routine. It has a silent alarm, so you can set the alarm on this app and it will vibrate to wake you peacefully. So you can receive calls, SMS and SNS, notifications on display, so you never miss any messages. Sedentary Alert, what is that? It will help you stay active throughout the day by giving you reminders, so it's never going to leave you alone. Anti-loss, okay, so when your phone or the bracelet is beyond the Bluetooth range, the device will vibrate to notify you.
So guys, right now I'm just walking around and it's saying I'm doing steps. So here I'm on 35, I'm going to walk around.
So just another 9,965 steps left to go. Great. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification button to see more videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Oh,